Welcome to this walkthrough of the Python Secure Authentication System. We begin by examining the project's directory structure in Windows File Explorer. You are currently located in Desktop, Python Development, Python-Secure-Auth-System. Inside, observe the auth and data folders along with the main.py execution script and a users_data.json file which serves as our local database. Now, let's dive into the logic. Open Visual Studio Code to view auth/login.py. Here, we see the login function definition. Notice line 8 where it loads the user database. Lines 10 through 13 handle email verification. If the email isn't found, the system exits. Lower down, from line 17 to 22, observe the security logic. The user is granted 3 attempts to enter the correct password. If they fail, the attempts counter decrements. Let's minimize the code and test the application. Open Windows PowerShell and navigate to the project directory. Type python main.py and press enter. You are presented with a main menu, 1 for login, 2 for sign up, and 3 for exit. We will start by testing the registration process. Type 2 and press enter. The system welcomes you to the sign up page. It first prompts for your name. Type Amanda and press enter. Next, it asks for your age. Let's test the age restriction validation by entering 12. As expected, the system validates the input and immediately denies access. The output reads, "Access denied. Minimum age must be up to 18, and the program terminates cleanly." Let's try again with valid credentials. Rerun the script by typing python main.py. Select option 2 for sign up again. This time, enter the name Lisa and set the age to 19, which meets the requirements. Next, you are asked for an email. Begin typing lisa@pythonmail.com. Once the email is entered, the system prompts for a password. Let's test the password strength validator. Enter a weak password like Lisa1. The system rejects it, stating, "Password is weak." It then prompts you to create a strong password. Enter a complex one, such as Lisa012PSS, to proceed. With the user registered, the program finishes execution. We now need to verify that we can log in with these new credentials. Run python main.py one more time. At the menu, select option 1 to log in. The system says, "Welcome to login," and asks for your email. Type the email we just registered, lisa@pythonmail.com. The system confirms validity with the message, "Email verified." It then asks for your password. Let's test the incorrect password handling we saw in the code earlier. Type an incorrect password like LI. The system immediately flags this with "wrong password" and prompts you again, explicitly warning 2 attempts left. This confirms our security loop is functioning correctly. We can now close the terminal and return to the File Explorer, concluding our test of the authentication flow.